So he just came out with his jeep to enter the forest and to catch the poachers. But in the midway, an elephant just attacked his jeep. He lost his jeep, and he lost his way also when he was running to go away. And he lost his way. That's why he's just frustrated. And at last he got his GPS signal from his GPS source. And after 3 hours he came back. And again he sent some forces with some ammunition to forest to catch those poachers.
Okay, so my story, in the picture I saw a male who is in a hurry, and in the story the scene is set in a kind of forest, in a rural area supposedly. The man is Rohit and he is in a hurry, from what I learned. Rohit is the kind of person who always leaves his stuff for later work and always tries to procrastinate, which resulted in this kind of situation where he is in a hurry to go to the shop and maybe buy something for his family in need, and hence he is in panic and he's running throughout the forest like a maniac in search of these goods. I think this kind of behavior, rather nature, can be solved by doing the things on hand and right on time without making the things leave for behind. Thank you.
I observed that there was a male character in the picture, and his mood was according to me neutral, and he was a male and age was around 28 years of old. So my story goes along with Sheetal. She is a forest range officer newly posted into the Sukma district, wherein after resuming the office she see that there is a high level of timber trafficking that is going on and illegal wildlife trade is happening in the area. She quickly take action and strengthen the surveillance and security of that particular forest. She increased the number of patrolling team and also installed many more checkposts. She also took in control, in confidence, the local villagers in order to get the intelligence input about these kind of a trafficking and who all are involved in that. And also she arranged many awareness drive wherein she educate the villagers about the consequences that it may lead if they continue such kind of illegal activities, and also encourage all of them to legally participate in the work forum wherein they can facilitate the growth of timber, rubber and coffee and under the forest department, and could earn a decent living. And according to these all steps, by taking all these steps, the crisis over there was curbed to a very great extent. Thank you.
There is one male in my photo, Suresh, age 24. Suresh builds up a camp to accompany his fellow climbers, and together they give proper burial to the deceased and descended from the mountain. Suresh is climbing down the death zone of Mount Everest while he is dodging the ice falls and debris from the fatal accident that killed few of his fellow climbers. As the bodies cannot be carried all the way down to the base camp, Suresh, along with the fellow climbers, climbed down with the bodies to Camp 4, not far down, and stays the night there. The next morning, along with the fellow climbers, he climbed down to the base camp, and friends, I could write on this.
In the picture, I wrote a character, that is Suresh, age 19 years old, mood neutral and sex male. In Mizoram at Kajripara village, there are a fire on the jungle of this hilly area. Suresh was passing over the road of this jungle, and he noticed that and kindly informed the villagers to stop the fire. All the villagers came with his and trying to solve the problem, and immediately called the fireman of that area.
Page number 6. In my story, there is one character, age 24, sex male, mood neutral. Rakesh is a mountaineer and he, along with his 6 mates, went to climb Mount Everest. But due to cyclone, he got lost from his company. But he didn't got frightened. He went as per map and plan. And after a lot of problems which he faced due to the lone situation, he got the success and climbed the Mount Everest and found his mate just before the final destination.
Good morning friends, chess number 5. There is one Amit name, sex male, age 22 and mood negative. In village Champaran, which is affected by the flood. So Ramesh, he is newly joined army. So he decided to find those missing person who is missing in the flood. So he decided to find them, and with the other people he taking help from the other people and rescue them who are in the village. They are missing. Fine. And at last they find those people and help them. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. In a picture, there is one character. Gender is male. Age is 20 to 22 years, and mood is neutral. Action is to save the forest and catch the wood smuggler. So Rahim is a police of forest department. One day, going for patrolling in the forest, suddenly he saw that many people cut the trees and sold him to from other persons. After seeing this, Rahim not tackle them. Then he called the more police and called the headquarters of police authority and want more police. After some time, the police will come in the forest. After that, they catch the smuggler and take him into jail. Thank you.
Question number 9. In this picture, I observe there are two male persons are there, age 64 and 54. They are going to a market, and they are मूड बहुत लोग थे, वो लोग मार्केट में गए थे, उन लोग बहुत सारे लोग थे एंड ये लोग बहुत बिजी थे वो लोग. Check number 10. Male, age 26, mood neutral. Ram is a farmer. Ram is a farmer. He work of her land, and his land is a hill, top of the hill. He going her work of his land, and this season is rainy, and he going and season is rainy.
Just number 11. In this picture, I saw one male, age 30 to 35. And mood is, I can't understand the mood. The action is Anil goes on a rescue mission to save his colleague in the army. So Anil is a lieutenant in the army and he's posted as CHN. So he and his colleague were on duty, and while patrolling one of the ridges, his colleague slipped and fell down to the cliff below. So after finding this out, the officers posted in Siachen, they tried to rescue him, but decided that it would be too dangerous for a group rescue operation. So Anil volunteered himself and rescued his colleague and brought him back.
In this picture, I saw a male of about 20 years old. I cannot understand it. Vishwanath was a boy of about 20 years. He lived in a village. Forest was beside that village. Some days after, it seemed that the forest life was rarefied day by day. So Vishwanath, as a young boy, took initiative for solving this. I have written this picture.
Page number 30. From this picture, I noticed a male who is 40 years old, and I think he is a farmer. A farmer was cultivating the crops in his own farm place. One day there was a poor farmer who is 40 years old. He was cultivating the crops in his own farm place. Every day he collected all the family members of food from his farm place. There were no other income side by which he can control his family by supplying their food. careful. He has a son, daughter, and his wife.
On chest number 14, I observed that there was a male character whose age was about 24 years of age, and his mood was positive. He was a farmer, his name was Rakesh, and he was returning from his agricultural land to his home. So his Rakesh's agricultural land, which is the only source of income for his family, it was affected by pests. So Rakesh immediately took control of the situation and he contacted his farmer friends to arrive at a solution. So he took necessary things from them, like pesticides and other means, and he saved his agricultural land from getting affected by pests completely. So he was returning home a satisfied man, as now he has the means to provide for his family. Thank you.